In this video, we will learn how to create comments in Python. So to start with, we'll open a Jupyter notebook. So if you don't know about Jupyter notebook and Anaconda distribution, please watch my first two videos. It contains installation and a detailed explanation on Conda commands. So first watch those two videos and then you will be able to continue from here. To open Jupyter notebook, I'll go to my ecolon. I've created a folder over here, learn Python. So I'll open it. It is right now a blank folder. So I'll open a Jupyter notebook file over here. So I'll copy the path, press copy address, and then I will click start, type Anaconda prompt in my search bar. So at present I am in my base environment in C drive. So I'll be working in base environment. So first, let me go to my ecolon. So ecolon, press enter, and then I will paste the address after CD space and Control V, and then I will press enter. So now at present I am in this folder. So I'll open Jupyter notebook file over here, press enter. So we are in our Jupyter interface. To open Jupyter notebook, click on new and press Python 3. So the first step is to name the file. So I'll name it Python comment. Let us add a header and press escape 1. So this will create a header. Press shift enter. Now in Python, comment serves the purpose of explaining the code, improving its readability, and preventing the execution during testing. So in Python, comment begins with the symbol hash. So whenever you write hash, the program will disregard the remaining text on that line. Let us write the first comment. Press shift enter to run the code. You will see the hello world is executed and there is no code execution for this line. You can also add comment at the end of the line and the program will disregard the remaining text on that line. Let me show you how. So I'll just copy this from here and then the comment line. So if I paste the comment line over here and press shift enter, it will execute the line again and it disregards anything which is written after the hash sign. Comments in Python serves not only to explain the code but also to prevent the code execution. So let me copy this code again and add one more line of code over here. So if I press shift enter now, you can see both the line of code were run correctly. Now suppose if I want to avoid printing this line of code. So what I can do is I can press Ctrl and slash in order to make this as a comment. And then if I press shift enter over here, you can see that this line of code is not executed because it has now become a comment. Let me add few lines over here. Now we'll see how to write a multi-line comment. So in Python, there is no specific syntax for writing multi-line comment. However, you can create a multi-line comment by using the hash symbol on each line. So you can write the line first and then you can select it and press Ctrl slash. So it will convert all the three lines into a comment. So if you press shift enter now, nothing will get executed. However, if you write anything below it, like print command, it will get executed. There is one more way to write a multi-line comment, that is string. So if you don't assign any variable to a string, it will ignore it and you can use it as a multi-line comment with the 3 triple quotes and the comment inside it. So let me show you how. So you can assign 3 triple quotes over here and then you can write anything inside it. This method of writing a comment is exclusively used in when creating a function and it is called docstring. Docstring provides a convenient way of associating documentation with Python modules, functions, classes and methods. It is specified in source code that is used like comment to document a specific segment of code. So I hope you have liked this short video on how to write comments. Please like and subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video.